gentlemen, now please put your hands together for Mr. Azhar Noor, Director Marketing, who has been an integral part of MTL's journey for the past 35 years. Mr. Noor will now take the stage to introduce and shed light on two very exciting new products we are unveiling today. So let's give Mr. Azhar Noor a very warm welcome.
औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम रब्बी हबली हुक्मन व अलहिक़नी बिस्सालिहीन। ए अल्लाह पाक हमें हिकमत अता कर और हमें सालिहीन में हमारा शुमार कर। Respectable Chairman, Directors, Honorable Guests, MTL, vendors, dealers and my colleagues from Millat, Assalamu alaikum and good evening. At today's historic moment, we are not only celebrating our 60th anniversary, but at this point of time, we are going to present new gift to our farming community who are providing us food, ensuring our food security. We have developed a new series which will be called as the Deluxe series. This series has been developed on the basis of the feedback of our farmers spread across the country. And our engineering team, our marketing team worked with the farmers day and night for months on various crops and assessed their emerging needs. Accordingly, this new series has been developed to provide better efficiency, to improve their ease of operations, comfort, and above all is the safety. While considering these factors, our team also considered that the new specs must be affordable to the farmers. So this new series, hopefully, inshallah, will cater the need of the small landholders as well as the big landholders. For this achievement, I congratulate to my engineering team, marketing team, and all those who have been involved in this process. We are also thankful to the ECCO technical team. And I would like to request to Mr. Parker, please convey our remarks and vote of thanks to ECCO Technical for their collaboration in development of this series, these new tractors. We are also thankful to our management who motivated us, encouraged us, and guided us for this project. At the end, I am thankful to all of you with us. And now let's see what this new series is. Thank you very much.